how much should you actually spend on a vegetable slicer or chopper? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Mueller Pro Chopper. Let's kick things off with the Mueller Pro Chopper. Priced at $29.99, it caught my eye because it's been a bestseller since 2013. If you want a reliable kitchen gadget that makes meal prep faster and easier, this is worth a serious look. The Mueller Pro Chopper features 8 blades, including 2 chopper blades and 6 interchangeable ones for slicing, grating, and shredding. This means you can prep everything from onions to cucumbers in no time. The 10-inch stainless steel blades are designed for precision cutting, and they genuinely do make cooking more enjoyable. Plus, the attached food container keeps your workspace tidy, no more mess on your counter. Now, here's the thing. Some users mention that the blades can be tricky to switch out at first. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's not a deal breaker. This chopper is ideal for busy parents or anyone looking to eat healthier without spending hours in the kitchen. This is perfect for you if you want an efficient tool that speeds up meal prep. Skip this one if you prefer more specialized slicing tools. For $29.99, it's a solid value for what you get. Now, if the blade switching issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Mueller Pro Series Slicer. Next up is the Mueller Pro Series All-in-One Slicer, priced at $39.99. This one immediately grabbed my attention with its 12 diverse blades. If you're the kind of person who enjoys variety in the kitchen, this is definitely worth checking out. With 9 interchangeable blades, this chopper doesn't just slice. It also dices, juliennes, and spiralizes. The stainless steel blades are high quality and designed to last, making it easier to create colorful salads or delicious garnishes for your dishes. The included food container also helps keep things organized. Some users did mention that the size can be a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. But here's the thing. If you often cook large meals or entertain, the extra functionality makes it a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting with different cuts and textures in your cooking. Skip it if you're short on kitchen space and prefer compact tools. For $39.99, you're getting a multifunctional kitchen assistant that can simplify meal prep. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for quick meal prep. Product number 3, Full-Star Original Pro Chopper. Now let's talk about the Full-Star Original Pro Chopper, priced at just $24.99. This has been dubbed TikTok's favorite veggie chopper, and for good reason. If you're looking for a quick and efficient way to prep meals, this is definitely worth a look. This chopper can dice veggies in just 30 seconds. It has a large 5-cup capacity, meaning you won't have to make multiple batches. The heavy-duty, rust-resistant stainless steel blades are designed to stay sharp and make the chopping process super quick. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so cleaning up is a breeze. However, some users have reported that it might struggle with larger vegetables, needing some extra manual help. But honestly, for regular chopping, it performs wonderfully and saves you a ton of time. This is perfect for busy individuals or families who want to eat healthier without spending ages prepping. Skip this if you often cook with larger vegetables. At $24.99, it offers an unbeatable value for daily use. Now, if you want something with even more versatility, check this out. Product number 4, Mueller Ultimate Chopper. Next is the Mueller Ultimate 12-Blade Chopper, also priced at $39.99. What stood out to me here is the versatility: 12 different blades. If you're serious about your meal prep, this gadget really shines. Just like its name suggests, this chopper is designed to be the ultimate kitchen helper. It includes various blades for slicing, dicing, julienning, and even spiralizing. The food container helps keep your workspace neat, and cleanup is a breeze since it's dishwasher safe. Many users rave about how it makes preparing healthy meals a quick and enjoyable experience. On the downside, some people found the setup to be a bit more complicated than expected. But honestly, once you figure it out, it's a breeze to use, and the time you save is totally worth it. This is great for you if you want a comprehensive tool that can tackle all your chopping needs. Skip this if you prefer a simpler, no-fuss option. For $39.99, it's a solid investment if you cook frequently. Now, moving on to our last product, which might just be the crowd favorite. Product number 5, Full-Star All-in-One Chopper. Finally, we have the Full-Star All-in-One Vegetable Chopper priced at $35.99. This gadget has made waves for being a favorite among home cooks. If you're looking for a reliable, multifunctional chopper, this one should be on your radar. This chopper has a large 5-cup capacity and can dice or slice in just 30 seconds, which is amazing for busy weeknights. It features heavy-duty stainless steel blades that stay sharp and are designed to give you precise cuts every time. Plus, it comes with a collecting container that prevents messes, and the whole thing is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Some users mention that the packaging may vary, which could be slightly confusing. But honestly, the quality remains the same, and it's a fantastic tool for everyday cooking. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable kitchen gadget that simplifies meal prep. Skip it if you're looking for something compact and specialized. For $35.99, it's a great value for a tool that you'll likely use daily. So to wrap things up, we've covered the Mueller Pro Chopper, Mueller Pro Series Slicer, Full-Star Original Pro Chopper, Mueller Ultimate Chopper, and the Full-Star All-in-One Chopper. Each one has its unique strengths, from versatility to speed. Depending on your needs in the kitchen, any of these could be a great addition. Happy chopping!